Good morning, respected judges and dear colleagues. My topic for today is visual outcomes and patient satisfaction following implantation of iHands IOL. I have no financial disclosure to make. Dr. Sri Ganesh and Dr. Sheetal Brar are consultant to Carl Zeiss Meditech. So new intermediate vision enhancing IOL techniques iHands. It is based on the aspheric platform and features continuous change in power from periphery to center, which provides a better depth of focus. And it claims to give a better intermediate vision, which is important in performing tasks such as using computer, viewing the dashboard of car, applying makeup, and playing cards, etc. These are the specifications of IOL. I'll not go into the details. It is made up of hydrophobic acrylic IOL material, and it is a 13 millimeter total diameter with 6 millimeter optic. We performed a study, which is a prospective observational study. We enrolled 40 eyes of 27 patients. Inclusion criteria were healthy eyes besides senile cataracts, aged over 40 years, and the patients who were able to report for 6 months follow-up. Any ophthalmological abnormality were excluded. All patients underwent a thorough anterior and posterior segment examination. The uncorrected and corrected distance, intermediate and near visual acuity were the primary outcomes, while defocus curve ranging from +1 to -3.5 diopter was the secondary outcome. These are our results at 1 month and 6 months follow-up, which shows excellent intermediate uncorrected visual acuity at 1 month and at 6 months also. The distance visual acuity was also very good at 6 months follow-up, while refractive outcomes were also excellent. Spherical equivalent at the end of the 6 months was -0.11 plus or minus 0.40. The figure A shows efficacy of the IOL, which shows 90% of the eyes were within 20/30 vision, while 100% of the eyes were within 20/40 vision. Figure B shows that there was no loss of the CDVA in any of the patient. Figure C is showing spherical equivalent outcomes, which shows that 87% of the eyes were within ±0.5 diopter, while 100% eyes were within ±1 diopter. Figure D is showing the outcomes of cylinder, which were also good at the end of 6 months. The figure E is showing a comparison between a Technis 1 and Technis iHands IOL defocus curve, which shows that Technis iHands has clearly better range for the intermediate vision, while Technis 1, which is a monofocal lens, it is showing that it does not have any intermediate range. These are our patient satisfaction result at the end of 6 months. Patient was satisfied for the intermediate vision at the end of 6 months, which did not have any, which was statistically different from the 1 month follow-up, because by the end of the 6 months, the glare, halo, and the night vision complaints were decreased in all the patients, while intermediate vision was also excellent at the end of 6 months. So other studies published data also shows that intermediate vision enhancing IOL, iHands IOL shows better intermediate vision as well as good distance vision. So conclusion, in our early experience, implantation of Technis iHands IOL yielded excellent outcomes for distance vision with improved satisfaction for intermediate vision without any photic phenomenon in the patient, which is the main concern in multifocal IOL. So this IOL gave a good distance as well as intermediate vision, and patients have like 50 to 60% of the patients also were happy with the near vision. These are my references. Thank you.
Dr. Mamta, can I ask one quick question?
Yes, sir.
In your study, did you find any difference in the intermediate vision in the younger age group population? For example, for those patients who are younger, did you find any better intermediate vision or better near vision?
Sir, our mean age was around 64, so we did not have very young population also. Our 40 eyes were, the mean age was 64, so it was between 60 to 70 years of old patients. Mainly, all patients were professionally active, and majority of the patients were using computers, which they were very happy with the intermediate vision using computers.